Apple's next big leap in the MacBook lineup is already generating buzz: the M5 MacBook Pro. After the M5 chip announcement, expectations for the high-end Max variant have surged, and from what the leaks suggest, Apple's pushing performance to an entirely new level while keeping its classic design intact. According to early findings from macOS 26.3 code references and reports, the new M5 MacBook Pros will mark the final chapter of the current chassis that's been in use since 2021. This means no physical redesigns and, unfortunately, still no OLED displays. Those are now expected to debut around early 2027. Under the hood, however, Apple's performance roadmap looks impressive. The M5 Max chip is rumored to feature 4 efficiency cores, like its predecessors, but a jump in performance cores is where the real magic happens. The base version, binned, is expected to pack 12 performance cores, while the full version could reach 14, bringing the total to 16 and 18 CPU cores, respectively. Single-core benchmarks are anticipated to hover around 4,263, similar to the standard M5 chip, but multi-core scores tell a bigger story. Leaks hint at an estimated 17,862 score. A massive leap from the M1 Max's 12,000 and the M2 Max's 14,000. That's more than double the performance in just 3 generations, an extraordinary progression in Apple's silicon journey. GPU performance looks equally fierce. Based on early Metal benchmark predictions, the M5 Max is expected to deliver around 219,500 for the binned version and up to 256,700 for the full variant, compared to roughly 106,000 for the M1 Max. Those numbers show a dramatic gain in graphics capability, ideal for creators, 3D artists, and professionals demanding top-tier GPU strength. The binned version is said to feature 34 GPU cores, while the unbinned model climbs to 42 cores, giving Apple's MacBook Pro its most powerful graphical setup ever. It's clear Apple's focus this generation is entirely on speed, efficiency, and raw computational power, rather than cosmetic upgrades. The timeline for launch also seems clearer now. According to internal macOS 26.3 identifiers, J14 and J16, both 14-inch and 16-inch M5 MacBook Pro models are in testing. Meanwhile, macOS 26.2 listings, J8, 13, and J815, point to new M5 MacBook Airs, likely launching first, possibly in January 2026. This positions the MacBook Pro lineup for a spring 2026 release, most likely around March. Apple's strategy appears consistent with previous years, rolling out its lighter models first before unveiling the professional lineup. As for the long-awaited OLED MacBook Pro, confirmed production may start in late 2026, meaning a commercial launch in early 2027, likely alongside the M6 generation. Pricing, however, is expected to remain steady. Apple didn't raise prices with the M5 MacBook Pro, so it's reasonable to expect the M5 Pro and M5 Max models to follow the same pricing structure as the M4 series. That means starting around $1,999 for the 14-inch Pro model, and going beyond $3,499 for top configurations.